welcome back to the RE video, actually toy and fun video, and showing you how to do more.
RE, be careful with that thing down there. Don't get smacked.
You're messing it up.
Hold up.
What are you doing?
What did you say, Liz? What did you say, Olivia? What did you say? Whatever. What about? There we go.
You read the directions.
Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now let me show you.
You know how to read, right?
It has a turret. What's your can you see it? It comes with everyone.
No.
Wow, you guys are way too close.
No, you're good.
There we go. Comes with. Look at that. It comes with a toilet. And it's like white and okay. This is the cutest thing ever. It's a two-push-up running. I can see it. What? Not too crazy. It can be sunscreen too. And it's the sink. And the police, the shower. And actually, there's like a bar with some stores. Like, you know, like a
Alright, want to make some brownies?
brownie.
Make sure we have our
Yes. Oh my god, I can. We have this.
Yeah.
And well, that was hiding from you guys on the other side.
We don't have no eggs.
Did
Are
you
some
see where
marshmallow
that chicken
sticks? Okay.
Alright, you want to make some? You want to make some or no?
Yes. Okay. Oh, and this is the room remote. And then we're going to scoot this back. Woo! Because we're about to make brownies. Okay, like brownies. I do. Just trying to make it up because we're going to make some brownie. Ow! It's like brownie. My sister.
No, don't put me on there. Take it off, Arnie.
Take what out? Okay, now it's the end, and I'm about to say it's about to be the end of the video because we're making some brownies. So thank you for bye guys. Bye guys. Cut.
This is good.
Hey guys, what's up? Bye guys.
Okay,
Bye.
pause it.